banging on him.
This is the young kid, Dylan. He's one of our youngest students. Matter of fact, he is the youngest student we have had to this day. He came to us right when he was going from 17, turning 18, getting off his provisionals. Now, they have changed the law to where you can get your CDLs at age 18. Young Dylan, very quiet, didn't say too many words, but he was about his business. He came in, got straight to work. I love training him because I could tell him something one time. He grasped the concept and he did it to perfection. He understood the assignment. Right now, he's doing straight line backing, he's doing a little skills. Let's get into this and see how he's doing.
So what we're discussing here is the way we're going to back up. The numbers that we should be using is our 12 o'clock, our 3 o'clock, and our 9 o'clock. As he's backing up, he's not quite turning his wheel all the way to 3 or all the way to the 9. So if you look at this clip right here, as he's backing up, you're going to see his wheel going a little short of 3 and a little short of 9. Then later on in the video, as we progress, you'll see him start to turn more to 3, more to 9. Now, we don't want to go past 3, nor do we want to go past 9. That's just kind of our markers to keep us in line. But you'll see in this clip right here, as he starts to back up, he gonna run out of space. He gonna run out of space on the left-hand side to where though he gonna get close to the cone, and we're gonna have to pull up to where though he won't hit the cone. At this point right here, you can see as he's moving, he's barely turning the steering wheel. He's not working his numbers. He's not going from 3 to 9. And as he's backing up, you can see he's running out of space on that left-hand side. He's slowly but surely getting too close to the cones on the left-hand side, which forced him to then have to stop and pull up to get straight and be able to try it again. As we go back the next time, let's see if he used those numbers more. If we turn more to 3 or if we turn more to 9, using those numbers to help keep us from getting close to the cone and help us keep the truck in the middle of the lane. So what I'm walking up to the truck to tell him is just that, number one, when he's starting off, he's not starting off in the middle of the lane. One thing we always say, if you start straight, you're going to end straight. If you start crooked, you're going to end crooked. So we're going to pull up. We're going to help get him a little bit more straight, get him to the middle of the lane, and then we're going to try to work those numbers better. What you're going to hear me telling him is go to that 3 more or go to that 9 more. He's still kind of struggling with the same thing. He's just not hitting his numbers on time. You can hit your numbers, but if you hit them late, it's too late. It ain't going to matter. If you hit them too early, it's too early. It's not going to matter. So we got to be on time. So that's what we're working on here. Straight up. Back to the middle of the street. See that? See how that straightens your trail out? Always remember, when you post to one side or another, take the snake motion to help you out to get straight again. If I'm super tight to the left, go to the right, back to the left, then straight. That's going to pull my trailer in the way that's going to be straight behind me. If I just pull straight off like this, it's just going to sit behind me crooked. Even if I'm tight to the right, to the left, back to the right, then straight. That'll always pull your trailer straight. All right. And just take your time. Give me a little 9 o'clock right here. We already still tight a little bit on this side. See how it's pointing over here? Holding that 9 until it starts to disappear. It don't look like you're all the way at 9 o'clock. Look at your hand. There you go. Hold it there. See it coming back here again? Get back to it again. This is our student, Miss Nancy. She's a Class B school bus student. She's learning her passenger endorsement and also school bus endorsement. When she finishes, she's going to have her Class B passenger and school bus commercial driver's license. Right now, what we're doing, we're working on some pre-trip. So we're going to take a listen in and see how our pre-trip is doing, and we'll check back in a minute.
Turn it on.
And what are we looking for when we turn it on?
Our ABS light and our check engine light to come on and go off.
That's correct. So when you turn it, all right, so let's turn it back off.
Oh, it was already on.
Correct. So when you turn that key that one little time, that makes them, so just give me one turn and start it right up.
You can't do that.
There we go.
Check engine light on and off.
And what does that let us know?
The brakes are working.
That both systems are operating properly.
I'm sorry?
That both systems are operating
Systems are
properly.
operating properly.
So my check engine light came on and went off. My ABS light came on and went off. That lets me know that both systems are operating properly.
The ABS light came on, the check engine light came on. That lets me know that both systems are operating properly.
Good. Okay.
We do
Our gauges.
our gauges. Our temperature gauge slowly rises to 180.
Good. That lets us know the bus is not overheating. It's okay.
That lets us know the bus is not overheating. Our voltmeter lets us know the battery is charging.
Good. And that's in between, what's the numbers?
Between 10.75 and 14.25.
Good. Miss Nancy is one of our best students. She was a breeze to work with. She picked it up very well. Right now, you see her doing her skills. She's doing some reverse offset right here. You see her be able to take it right back, put it in the lane, and be able to stop where she's supposed to stop. Now we're going to check Miss Nancy out on the road. She's with Mr. Terrence. He's taking her on the road, working on her lane management, sign awareness, where to stop at, speed, pace, all of those different things like that.
We're gonna go right once we get off. Yeah, Liberty Road is 26. Bryson Road, where we were just at, is 140. You know where you at?
Yeah.
This is where we came from when we came and got on the highway originally. We made that left.